Hi friends, it is Mrs. Johnson. I know that some of you may see me every day and some of you may just see me in passing. Well, I am here to give our third grade friends, and if you have your family members, they can join in too, a lesson on soil. But what better way to learn about soil than to eat your soil? Wait, that didn't come out right. Let me try it again. We're going to be doing an edible soil project that you can do at home on election day, or if you don't have all the materials, no need to fret. You can watch the video tomorrow. You can watch it on Wednesday if you get your materials by then, or this weekend, maybe after a grocery run, or even if you do it next month, or when we're off for Thanksgiving or Christmas holiday. You can come back and watch the video tomorrow during then. It's just a cool way to kind of learn about soil, kind of get you ready if you haven't done your quiz or your test yet, and learn about the different layers of soil. So what will you need for this project? Well, if you look over here, you'll be able to see some of the ingredients that you'll need. Now, I'm going to go over them just to make sure that you know what is the most important and what are some things that just kind of jazz it up a little bit. All right. You will need a clear cup. Now, it can be a plastic cup or it can be glass, but if you are using glass, always be careful with your things, okay? Now, you'll need chocolate pudding. Most importantly, you'll need regular Oreos. Now, I do have golden Oreos on there, but if you don't have those, regular Oreos will work just fine. You'll also need gummy worms. Those are the most important ingredients you need. Now, to get some more of those layers and really see your soil developing, it's also great to have the golden Oreos, as we've said before, to have green as well as chocolate sprinkles. And then I also recommend chocolate chips that can be the regular chocolate, such as a semi-sweet or a milk chocolate, in addition to a white chocolate or a peanut butter or a butterscotch or something that's a different color than that chocolate one. We can kind of see some of the different layers kind of developing with those. Now, if you don't have it, it's not a big deal. But if you do have them, bring them on. I will be on tomorrow around 12 o'clock and post the video for you and your family to try out some edible soil as well as learn some of those layers. So I hope to see you there, and I hope you have a great day, friends. See you later.